Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install right here electric horn. So let's open it up and see what we got. We got a cable, USB cable, the speaker itself, and two buttons. One is a button to actually horn, and the other one is to change tones. There's like only 4 tones, so, and this is the holding thing. So let's try to put this on and see how it works. And don't forget about the alarm system that I got on this one. If you didn't check my other videos on alarm system, check it out. There we go. It actually has a very long distance. So yeah, it's like you could probably reach that trailer over there. There's not much space here though because of my cell phone holder. So it looks like it doesn't really fit here. If I fit this in here, then I'm gonna need to place the horn button somewhere else. And as you can see, not much space over here either. So I think I'm gonna place it right in there where my bar is, like somewhere there, and it's gonna prevent from the rain, because this is kind of water resistant but not as much. Here's a USB cable here. It also has an indicating light here when charging and when it's fully charged. So okay, so I installed this button over here, actually 2 buttons over here, and there's the wire going down, and I installed the speaker here because the bar is pretty thick, but this bar is too thin and it would not hold. So let's test it. Go ahead and press it. See, this is pretty loud. Pretty loud. And here you can just switch. Okay, like this. Like this. I like this one. This one sounds more like a real motorcycle or something. Okay, let's start the bike and see how it sounds, if we could hear the sound while it's running. Let's press. Yep, you can still hear it. like and subscribe to the channel for more videos on Pocket Bike. We will be modifying it more pretty soon. I think I'm gonna install some lights. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, and we also are doing some mechanical works, so check out our videos and some trading. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.